Shazil, what is this?
Flower.
What is the beginning sound of flower? Fa.
Fa.
Fa. Flower. Right. Fa. Flower. Fa. Right. Fa.
Fa flower.
Right. Turn a little. Go down and down. Make a dash. Very good. What is this? Envelope.
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 What is the beginning sound of envelope? What is the beginning sound of envelope? Eh. Go right.
Quran.
Make a kharvi kha. Eh. Envelope. Eh. Envelope. Okay. What is this? What is this?
Door.
Door. What is the beginning sound of door? D.
Da.
D.
Da.
Right, D. Make a kharvi. First you have to make a kharvi kha. Go up and up. Come down and down. D. Very good. Da. Door. What is this?
Door.
What is this?
Apple.
Apple. What is the beginning sound of apple?
A.
Very good. Right, A. Make a no. Start from here. Make a kharvi kha. Go up.
Go up.
Come down.
Come down.
Very good. Apple.
Apple.
Okay. Now what is this? What is this?
Ball.
Ball. What is the beginning sound of ball? What is the beginning sound of ball? Shazil? Ba ball.
Ball.
Right, ba. Come down and down.
Come down.
Go up, turn a little and join. Okay. What is this? Carrot, yes. Carrot.
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 Kha. Make a kharvi kha. Make a kharvi kha. Okay, repeat with me. Fa flower.
Flower.
Envelope.
Alone.
Da door.
Door.
Da door.
Door.
Apple.
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 Ba ball.
A ball.
Ba ball.
A ball.
Carrot.
A carrot.
Carrot.
A carrot.